So how to handle menus? Because so menus are important. You have when top menu, then when you mouse over, there are a lot of options. Then sub menus also will be there. The final option, you need to click it. How can you perform that? So in this menu options, I'm covering the software sessions also, so that it will be another concept we are covering here. So let me copy this code, the setup method. Setup method. I can okay. So this menus, let me show you where these menus are there. Go here. So there is option menus. So these are the menus. So if you see here, there are a lot of music. If you mouse over, then sub menu you got. Again, mouse over, you will get another sub menu. Again, last one I want to click classic. So this is the so many menus are there. So first music is the main menu. Then mouse over on the rock, you will get another menu. Then you go to the classic first, then you click on that final one. Whatever it is, alternative or classic, you can click on that. So this is the multiple menus you can handle with this move to element method you have to use. And final one, you are going to click. You have to move to element here also, then you click it. But you have to wait for this. For example, when you mouse over on music, the rock is coming after some time. You need to wait for the visibility of that rock menu. So there are all elements are having object identification. You can see here. See this ID UID 9. Then you have another one UID 10 will be there for rock. So rock is having another one. So you can right click and you can get that. So UID 10. Then you can get a classic. So classic, another one you can get it. So UID 12. So like this, you can identify each one and keep calling the move to element method. Then it will solve your problem. Okay. So let's see how to do this. In the same test-ng program. Again, create a one @test method you take, and one before class with the parameters. If you don't want to get parameters, remove this and remove this parameter also. Then you can give directly browser value here. Only one browser you want to run, just give this. Remaining all you delete. Parameters, annotation, all this. But I want to run through XML file. I'm giving my browser value. So whichever the browser you give, it will run on that browser, right? So that's why I given a browser value. So let's see how we are doing. I'm using a soft asset asset equal to new soft asset. I'm creating object for soft asset class. Then so launch this URL. So verify the page title, and then you can switch to that frame based on the integer locator. You can use whatever the locator you want. You can use web element also, but I used the 0. Only 0. Why we used only one frame is there. That's why we use it 0. So then create object for actions class act equal to new actions of driver. So first identify the music menu. First you identify the music menu. This is the music menu. Identify driver dot find element by dot id uid 9. So we are identifying the this music menu. So soft asset dot c soft asset dot asset true. You have asset true and asset equals, both are there. So asset true is there. And so music menu dot is displayed. So music menu is present or not, I'm thinking, I'm asserting. So if it is not there, I'm printing this message, music menu is not available. Then See, act dot move to element music menu, then dot perform method, dot perform method. So this is the one when cursor will go to this music. Cursor will go to that music menu, and then so the cursor will place there, and then the rock submenu will appear for you. So identify the rock submenu. Web element rock submenu equal to driver dot find element by dot id uid 10. So then wait dot until expected conditions dot see visibility of this rock submenu. So you mouse over on the music menu here, right? To appear a rock submenu, it will take some time. That I am waiting. I'm putting a wait command. Wait dot until expected conditions start visibility of this rock submenu. Wait for the visibility of rock submenu. I'm saying so that it will wait. Then soft asset dot asset true. Rock submenu dot is displayed. Again, I'm telling rock submenu is present or not. I'm asserting. Then move again to rock submenu. Again, move the cursor to you mouse over here. Then you mouse over here. See, moving the cursor. That means moving the your cursor point to that element. That is done by move to element method. So then move to element rock submenu dot perform method. So identify the music, rock submenu, classic menu now. So now I identify the classic submenu. Web element classic submenu equal to driver dot find element by dot id you give. Then wait for the classic submenu. Wait dot until expected conditions. See, all first you are moving, then waiting for the next element. So here also you moved that, then you are waiting for the next element, rock submenu. So that's a very important. Otherwise, if you are not waiting, if it is taking some time to appear, then it's going to be a problem. That's why you have to wait for that rock submenu. Okay, rock submenu or music submenu, whatever the submenus, you wait for the menus to appear. So then, so I'm asserting SA dot assert true classic submenu dot is displayed. If it is not displayed, you mention this message in the logs. So then last one act dot click, this one. So I don't need to move to classic submenu directly now in the Selenium 4. So what they would before in the Selenium 3, this is the one. You have to move first. Then you have to do a click action. But here in the Selenium 4, act dot click element name, if you give internally move to element will call. Every click method has every method has a move to element will call automatically. That's why you're clicking on the this directly, it will move the cursor here and it will perform the click action. That dot perform method you're calling. SA dot asset all. So why you call asset all at the end? The soft asset, what will happen? Any one asset fails, your program won't stop here. Your program won't stop here. But at the end, it will catch that and it will asset that, and the entire program will continue execution. So that's the main concept of assertion. So if you use a hard assert, it will stop there only. Your program execution will terminate there only. But soft assert, it will continue till the end. At the end, it will report there is a failure of this assertion and take care of that. In the logs, you can see that. So that's the this. So how to handle soft assets? Soft asset will continue your program execution, but hard asset, it will stop there only. Any assertion. That's the difference between soft asset and hard asset. Yeah. So any queries, and I'm going to run that. So Okay, so let's run now. Form.xml, you just right click, run as maven build. See, the browser is open and menus handling. You can see how it is handling the menus. So music, rock, classic. So this is how to handle multiple submenus. Okay. So any questions before